I know my self-help channel offers advice in my quirky sense of humour, and yes, I do joke around my channel a lot. But if you are watching this means that you've either thought about or have made the decision to commit suicide and end your life. Now, before you do that, I just want you to listen to me for just 5 minutes. I don't know what situation you're in. Maybe you're being bullied. Maybe you're being abused. Maybe you've just had a bad relationship breakup, or that everything's just gone horribly wrong with your life. I don't know what situation you're in, but I know exactly how you're feeling. You're probably feeling that the world would be a better place without you in it. You're probably feeling that nobody really gives a shit about you. You're probably feeling depressed and heartbroken to holy hell, and you just can't get those negative thoughts out of your head. Maybe you just feel that you have no purpose in life and that there's no way out of your problems. Guys, believe it or not, it's normal to feel these feelings, and it's normal to be overwhelmed by them. You might have problems, but death is not the only solution. Think about who you'll be leaving behind, your friends, your family, people that know you. You're probably more valued and appreciated than you think. It probably doesn't feel like that right now, but you probably are. You just don't realize it. I know how you're feeling, and I know you. You don't really want to kill yourself. You just want the pain to stop. You just want the suffering to end. I get that, I really do. But taking your own life isn't the answer. How do I know this? Because within the last year, I almost ended mine. Wait, what? Yeah. It was a dark night, and I was driving home from an appointment. It was raining, and I'd just been heartbroken from a woman that I loved very, very much. The windows were fogging up, I had to crank up the heat, and I was falling asleep at the wheel. I was just sick of the loneliness, the heartbreak, the pain, the suffering. I felt worthless. I felt useless. I didn't feel that there was any point to it all anymore. I just wanted to end it all. And all I had to do was turn that steering wheel. All I had to do was crash on the motorway, and I would never feel that pain again. It could have been so easy. The voices in my head kept telling me to do it. Nin, do it! Do it! Turn the steering wheel and you will never feel pain again! And do you know what I did? I kept my goddamn eyes open and I steered myself home. It was possibly one of the hardest things that I ever had to do. But I'm glad I did it. Trust me, there is life on the other side of all the pain. It's going to be okay. I'm a testament to that. But you have to listen to me. There's a whole life out there that's worth living. Places to visit, foods to eat, experiences to have, love and happiness to find. You can't have any of that when you're dead. The road ahead isn't easy. I know that. But what's on the other side is worth living for. There's hope for you, but it's going to take some time. I don't expect you to do this alone. Talk to family, talk to friends. There are hotlines to call and counsellors to see. Hell, even drop me a comment in the comment section below. I can't answer every message, but I'll certainly try. Think about that before you do anything drastic. Please, just think. You and I both know that you really don't want to do this. You just want the pain to stop. And it will stop, because we'll help you through it, but only if you want to live. Guys, please share this video. I'm not joking this time. If you know someone who has these thoughts, show them my channel, show them this video. If this video only helps one person to not kill themselves and to live a full and happy life, then I've done my job properly. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I wish you nothing but happiness.